Students, now we will do exercise 7.2 third problem. First given, what is the given question? I'll read. ABCD is a rectangular shaped school ground. This ABCD is a rectangular shaped school ground. Okay. And given Niharika runs 1 by 4 of AD. 1 by 4 of AD. This one. This is the AD and Niharika first time runs 1 by 4 of AD. She takes a green flag and posted here. Okay, that is 1 by 4 of AD. And next time, second time, Preet runs 1 by 5 of AD. Same again. Okay, Preet runs 1 by 5 of AD. That is second time. Okay, and the question is, what is the distance between these two? Question is given clearly. Distance between green and red flag. Using the distance formula we have to. And second question is, Rashmi posts a blue flag exactly halfway. That means between these two, Rashmi posted one flag here. Okay, exactly blue flag that is. Using the midpoint formula, we have to find the midpoint of these two. First distance we have to find, then again midpoint formula we have to use. Two times we have to do. Then before going to do that, here we are assuming A is the origin. A is origin. AB as x-axis. AB is a x-axis and AD as y-axis. We are assuming that. Clear? And distance between these two is 1 meter given. Total distance, total that is 100 flower pots are there here. In this total, what is the length of this one is now here? Up to this one, 100 meters. Clear? Now, first one what is here? According to this situation, x-axis values you know. That means x coordinate first time what is here? 2. X coordinate is first time 2. Then we don't know this point. Yes, that is y-axis point we don't know. The condition we know. What is the condition? Niharika runs 1 by 4 of AD. That means 1 by y coordinate is 1 by 4 of AD. 1 by 4 of AD. Using this we have to find a y coordinate. X coordinate is 2 given and the condition is given Niharika runs 1 by 4 of AD. That is at green flag, that is 2 comma 1 by 4 into AD. What is the AD length given here? 100. Cancel this 425. Then first point what is here? 2 comma 25. First one we got it. And second time. Here x-axis point what is here? On 8. On 8. Then where is the flag? Red flag. That is condition again. Preet runs and posted here 1 by 5 of AD. That is the first point is what is here? 8 x coordinate, y coordinate is not given but condition is given 1 by 5. Sorry, that is 1 by 5 of AD. AD length we know already, that is 100. Just I'll write AD here. Then go for here. First point x coordinate is 8 and 1 by 5 of AD length is 100. Cancel this 20. That is 8 comma 20. Then we got this point is 2 comma 25 and this point is 8 comma 20. Here what is G? Means I am assuming that this is a G, green, then red flag, that is R. I am assuming it is. This is the G and this is the R. What is the question now? Distance between green flag and red flag. Using the distance formula, we have to find GR. We know distance formula under root of x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x anyone. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You can use like x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square also. Here G value is x1 y1 and R value is x2, y2. Directly applying this, using the distance formula, find the value of this one. x2 minus x1. x2 is 8. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 whole square. Second one, y2 minus y1. 20 minus 25 whole square. 20 minus 25 whole square. Then 8 minus 2 whole square, that is a 6 square, plus 20 minus 25, that is minus 5 whole square. 6 square is 36, plus minus 5 square is, it's a plus 25. 36 plus root 25, it is root 61. The distance between these two is, what is the length of this one is? Root 61 meters. We got it. Now, what we have to find again? Using this condition. Let me pose a blue flag exactly halfway. Halfway is nothing but what here? Midpoint. Using the midpoint, we have to find. We know the midpoint formula. What is the midpoint of 2 points? Any 2 points is midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Then midpoint of which one we have to find? Midpoint of GR. Then apply directly in this x1 y1 and x2 y2 values we know. First one 2 plus 8 by 2 comma 25 plus 20. 25, that is y1 plus y2 by 2. 2 plus 8, 10 by 2. 25 plus 20, 45 by 2. Cancel here, 2 5. Here fraction 45 by 2, it's not possible. Still you can write like 22.5 also after cancellation. Or 45 by 2, anything you can write it. What is the point, midpoint of GR? First 5 comma 22.5. Or you can write 45 by 2 also. Or 45 by 2. This is the midpoint of GR. Green flag and red flag. What is the middle one now? Blue flag. Blue flag. What is the coordinates? 5 comma 22.5. What is the distance between these two? Root 61.